Hi, good morning sa ating lahat. So, kumusta ang ating umaga? As usual, tayo ay mag-harvest ng ating mga gulay, most especially itong squash blossoms. And today, me and Baby C went to harvest my watermelon. This is organic. Tapos, syempre, bulaklak ng ating kalabasa. And some of my biggest tomato here. Oh my goodness. You see that? Oh, I got plenty of it. Kailangan i-rep ko to kasi may squash ng ano natin. Lagay ko na ano. Dami. As you can see guys, I have to show you closer. This is a big tomato from my garden. And also cherry tomato. Basket of aroma tomato. And here another basket of Roma tomato. Yan guys, napakarami ang ating ani ngayon. So wala akong time ngayon na maglinis ng ating bulaklak. So ilagay muna natin dito sa basket and then i-rep natin. Ayan. Uy, yeah, magpipicture pala ako, kailangan may picture ako. Alright guys, hanggang dyan lang tayo. Thanks for watching. I-close up po muna. Ayan guys, ang ating harvest. Yan. 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 Ayan. There you go. Marami pa doon pala na bulaklak na kukunin natin. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Kung may tinanim, may aanihin, may kakainin, may bebenta tayo. Bye. Love, love, love.